Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 2-pack of cotton rope storage baskets. These are 15 by 10 by 9 for the size, so they would be great for holding all sorts of different items. So let's get these out and take a look at them. So it does come packaged where they are put together, so they would be great for a gift, for whether it's for like a nursery present or even just home storage decorations. They do have these nice little handles on the side so you can then carry these. And then to get them ready to go, all you've got to do is just kind of form them how you want them. And then if you want to seam the edges to get rid of any sort of extra wrinkles around here, you can definitely do that. But these just kind of stay up. I mean, they're pretty sturdy as far as your side because of that nice cotton rope. Let's get the other one ready here. So you can easily use those in a bathroom. Like I said, you've got plenty of room in here to be able to put towels, blankets, toys, diapers. I mean, there are just so many different uses that you can use these little baskets for. And they will just hold things nicely, easily pick them up and carry them with you. So here's the rope basket up close. You can see all the different layers of the rope. So it does have a nice texture to it. And then your little handles on the side. And then the underneath is all just wrapped around there. So these would be really cute, just putting in a room in a storage area like this. You can leave them in the corners of a room, but it just kind of makes a really nice, pretty area.